Hi everyone, my name is Khadija and I'm a developer relations engineer. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to launch your L1 and smart contract on testnet with AvaCloud and ThoughtWeb. AvaCloud is a blockchain service enabling teams to rapidly build, deploy, and scale decentralized network customized for any use case. In our first step, we will launch our L1, so let's get right into it. So while we are waiting for our L1 to be done, let me give you a quick overview of ThoughtWeb and its seamless integration with AvaCloud. ThoughtWeb is a platform that provides a suite of tools for creators, artists, and entrepreneurs to easily build, launch, and manage a Web3 project. It enables users to add features such as NFTs, marketplace, and social tokens to their Web3 projects without writing a single line of code. With this new partner, AvaCloud, builders can easily onboard users with customizable wallets and quickly build blockchain apps. In our next step, we will deploy a simple token contract with ThoughtWeb's integration right from our AvaCloud dashboard. And that that's it. In just a few minutes, we have successfully launched a custom layer 1 blockchain with AvaCloud and deployed a smart contract